Welcome to part 2 of how to make money online for free with Craig Byrne. Okay, so in the first email you got, you had a link to click on, which should have brought you to somewhere just like this. And what you do here is you go to where it says Get Started over here. And you click on Get Started. When you click on Get Started, it takes you down to a form. In the form, you put your name, your last name, your email, your username, your password, confirm password, then put Get Free Access. As it states up the top of the page, no credit card required ever. That's how easy it is to set up, to get Groove funnels and get started with this free software. So it's very simple. In the first email, you had the welcome video, and in that welcome video, it had a link to sign up for Groove funnels. This is where you go to, you fill out the form, they then send you an email, and in that email from Groove, you sign back in with you'll go to Get Started. Oh, I haven't signed up, says Get Started there, but I can go to you get your login, you'll go to your login. I'm already logged in. If I log out quickly, log out. You come to this page, you enter your email and your password and click log in. That's not my email. No, that's not my email. Let's use that one. And my password. And then you log in. That's how easy it is to get this free software. That's how easy it is to sign in. Now, in tomorrow's email, I will give you a walk around all of what you can do as a free member. This is my homepage. I'm a platinum member. When you are a free member, you'll have a button up here that says upgrade now. You don't have to upgrade now. You can do everything I'm going to teach you for free. No credit card needed. But if you did want to upgrade to get all of the marketing software, you can. That's up to you. But this is the purpose of these videos, is to get you earning money as an affiliate marketer. So that concludes part 1. In tomorrow's email, part 3, we're going to navigate around Groove funnels and Groove pages and Groove sell, and obviously Groove affiliate. So let's stop the screen share. I will see you tomorrow, everybody. Well, hey, have a great day. Take care.